In the name of Allah, the most merciful and most compassionate, Mr. President, respected teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Today, I will appreciate on my principal that he gave me a golden opportunity to deliver a short speech on corruption and fight against corruption. First of all, dear friends, do you know what is the greatest streets to any societies? Not of its corruption. And then, have you ever thought about the consequences of corruption? When corruption spreads, justice disappears, institutions losing their strength, and ordinary people are deprived of their rights. Dear friends, corruption takes many forms. Bribe is, for example, of corruption. Criticism is corruption. Misuse is the power of corruption. But sadly, in many places, people have started to accept it as a normal practice. But in reality, it destroys trust. So without no trust, no society can grow strong. And the fight against it is not only the duty of government, but it's the duty of every citizen. If we refuse to take or give bribes, if we do our business honestly, if we do our jobs honestly, if we do our studies honestly, and then we are all taking an active part in this fight. Dear friends, let us promise, let's take a form saying that we will never support corruption in any form. If we choose honestly, our future will be bright. If we remain silent, corruption will continue to spread. Remember this, corruption is a choice, but so is integrity. The choice we will make today will shape the destiny of our nation. Thanks for everyone attention to me.